The specialized operations and the joint anti-gang task force, have been deployed in the parish as of yesterday, Sunday, and have started to carry out targeted operations in a number of communities for persons that we have on our radar as persons of interest, and also persons that we know are associated with other illicit activities. So you will be seeing specialized operations and a joint anti-gang task force for a period of time inside Manchester, right? So that is something we also ask the residents to understand, that with those operations will come sometimes some level of inconvenience with their day-to-day activities, but we ensure that we will do everything in keeping with their constitutional rights, right? Because that's paramount for us as police officers. So there is more forces here that have been deployed to assist and push towards getting the parish back to where we want it in 2023.